Oh, cool. And it already opened up a position here. Here's part 2 of setting up a 24/7 trading bot on your OpenClaw. We're using OpenAI's GPT 5.5 as the LLM to set everything up. GoTrader is the application that is designed for OpenClaw for automated trading. We're going to be setting it up on Hyperliquid today. We're going to be setting an initial capital of $200 with Metamask on the Hyperliquid platform. So I'm currently in Singapore because Hyperliquid geo-restricts on your location. And the first thing you want to do is want to go to the Hyperliquid website, and it is app.hyperliquid.xyz, and then it's going to take you to trade. And what we want to do is hit connect, and then we're going to connect to Metamask. So you do need a Metamask account. You want to connect it to your Metamask account and hit confirm. Accept, confirm on Metamask, and then establish connection. Confirm. Okay, and now what we want to do is we need to deposit some money. So we're going to open up Metamask. I currently have about $200 worth of Ethereum. It's 0.09 Ethereum, and we need to convert it to USDC on Arbitrum. It's very important we convert it to the correct thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Ethereum here. I'm going to click on swap. Right here, you're going to click this selector, and then up here it says all networks. You're going to click on that and then open up and select Arbitrum. And here you're going to type in USDC and then click on the first thing that shows up. It should be USDC coin native. Click on that. And then I'm just going to convert the whole thing. And that's how much we're putting in, about $203. And there is a little bit of a fee, but we get $201 out of it. So it costs about $2. I'm just going to hit swap. And what this means, and what this is doing right now, it's converting my Ethereum on the Ethereum network onto into USDC on the Arbitrum network. And that is what Hyperliquid is going to utilize to make trades for you. And this, after you're done, you're going to hit view activity and then go into your account here. You click on tokens and it's still mid transaction, so it might take a minute. If you go to activity, you can kind of see the status. It's pending, so it's still going. Okay, so it took a little bit, but we have our money in there. My total right now is $204, just under $205. And I'm going to go into Hyperliquid here, app.hyperliquid.xyz/join/richquo. This is actually my referral code. And you actually get 4% off your transactions for the first $25 million that you're doing in transactions. So you get a nice little discount there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click join. And what that's going to do is basically connect my MetaMask to Hyperliquid. And the next thing we want to do is we want to go deposit money. And the first thing we want to do is we just want to deposit the money. So I want to deposit 200, just a nice even number. Make sure your asset is on USDC, and then make sure your deposit chain is Arbitrum. You're going to do a $200 deposit here. I'm going to hit deposit. It says we need a sign, and it should come up here on the right. Here we go. Okay, so our transaction's in progress and it's completed. So if we look at our portfolio here, we can go to balances. We have that 200 USDC, so it's in there. And the next thing we want to do is we want to start setting up GoTrader on our Discord server. So we're going to go into our DM channel with the YouTube Hetzner that we set up in part 1. And then we're simply going to go to GoTrader.com. This is the GoTrader application. It's open source on my GitHub. And we can close this. If we go here, we scroll down to the README and there's a get started. And then this is the quick flow for a new server right here. Install this and init. Simple as that. Install and then just paste that into the Discord message DM, hit enter, and it's going to install GoTrader on your VPS, and it's going to initialize the entire thing and get it up and running for you. This might take a minute or two. Okay, now it's installed, and it basically tells you everything that needs to be done. And then what you want to do is basically tell it you want to go live with Hyperliquid. And so the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we have the YouTube demo channel in here and just copy the ID. We're going to go back into the DM and say, let's set up live trading in this channel. Let's do Hyperliquid and trade BTC. We're going to use the Hyperliquid HAE ETH30 strategy. Do 50 trades, should be 50 margin, 50 leverage, 20x, and use the tiered ATR closing strategy and hit enter. And this will set it up, and it's going to ask you for a API key for Hyperliquid. So we're just going to wait for it to set up and for it to get back to us. Okay, so it's going to set everything up on Hyperliquid, and it's going to need our Hyperliquid API key. It's telling you all the settings here. The HAE strategy is the Heiken Ashi EMA, and we're going to do $50 margin. So that means every time we open a trade, it's going to be using about $50. We're going to leverage it 20x, and our margin mode is isolated, which means if our losses ever hit 50x, it just stops and it doesn't go into our initial capital. We're going to be longing, and our first take profit is going to be 2 times the ATR value at the time of opening the position. And our second take profit is going to be 3 times the ATR value, and that's going to close out the entire position. Our stop loss is set at 1x the ATR value. And if any of these are not to your liking, or if you want to modify the strategy, this is where you do it. You can always modify it later when it's live, but before you set it up, if you want to make anything, now's the chance. So the first thing you want to do right now is you need the Hyperliquid secret key. And that is basically the key that you need to trade on Hyperliquid. And to get that value, we're going to click on this. We're going to click on API. Here, we're going to create YouTube demo. We're going to create this key. Click on this. We're going to click generate and then authorize API wallet. And then here, you're going to do 180 max days. And you look down here in the red, it gives you the private key. This is the value that GoTrader needs. So you're going to click this to copy, go to Discord, and then you're just going to tell it secret key, and then just hit enter and paste that in. You want to authorize that as well and confirm. And now there is a key that GoTrader will use to make trades. If we go back here, we can take a look at the trading platform. And then once this is set up, we'll place a test order just to make sure everything works. And then that gets you set up with Hyperliquid. Okay, so now we have it set up, and 2 blockers before starting. You have to say start live trading for GoTrader to post into it. It needs a Discord bot token, otherwise you can't trade but won't send. You should have the Discord bot token from the OpenClaw initial setup. Okay, so you can reuse the token, and all you have to do now is start live trading and say start live trading. Okay, it is set up correctly now, and we're going to be trading on Bitcoin. And then we go back in here and we go to our YouTube demo channel, and you can see here that it has everything set up. So trading is active. We're on cycle number 2. I guess it skipped cycle number 1. The Hyperliquid summary, and it has the version of GoTrader that you're on. This number 1 just means you're on the latest. So if we go to GoTrader, we can look at the releases. It's 0.62.1, and it is the same value here, 0.62.1. The PID here is just the service ID of the process on your local machine, and it's 4131. If anything ever gets into an issue, this is the identifier that you can tell OpenClaw to check in on 4131. Cycle number 2, it just tells you it does a cycle every 30 minutes. There's a cycle. So right now we have it set on 30-minute intervals, and trading is active. If trading ever stops, like you run into a problem, or if Hyperliquid's down, it's going to say trading inactive, and it'll give you like a red X. Gives you the price of the assets that you're trading, which is Bitcoin, currently at 79.29, pretty good price here. Strategy name, the initial amount that you have there, and the value is 50. So we actually need to tell it our values are different. So it says cash allocated. Our initial cash allocated is actually 200. Please update according. And that'll, that's how you kind of update things. And then once this is done updating, we will place a test transaction just to make sure it works. Okay, so right now it's telling you it's going to change that from 50 to 200. So our initial cash now is at 200. And if we go back into the channel here, it sent out a new summary where the initial capital is 200. Our current default value is also 200. And then PNL basically is 0. And you can have multiple strategies. I'll show you how to do it. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have in the Bitcoin world. All these win losses are negative, but let's try this VWAP BTC 30. Win loss is 1. It has 5 transactions and it's down $5. We'll try it out. So we want to add a second strategy to the trading bot. HL VWAP BTC 30. It's saying since should it have its own $200 initial capital, or should we split the 200 into $100 each? And then I'm going to tell it, let's split the initial capital into 100 each strategy. And then it's going to tell you it's using the same amounts of money to trade with the same margin, same leverage, and the same closing strategy values. So the kill switch is going to happen if the values are incorrect. So there's a peak value and there's an initial capital value. So sometimes when you're moving the initial capital values around, it might trigger the kill switch. Just keep in mind that until it's actually completed, you don't have to worry about any of these kill switch messages. But if it does have kill switch, it does mean that your strategies are either performing very poorly, it has consecutive losses. If there's 5 consecutive losses, the kill switch will activate. And if you hit your 20% drawdown value, which is, your entire portfolio has lost 20% of its value, it'll also hit a kill switch. These are all configurable. Just tell your OpenClaw to change these values. Okay, so it has everything set up now. And scroll all the way to the bottom. Oh, cool. And it already opened up a position here. So we don't even need to test it. So is a position there. We want to go to BTC, USDC. And so we actually placed an order. So our strategy actually placed an order while we were waiting, which is fantastic. So we have a trade execution here. You could see that we placed a buy order right here. So we placed a buy order here. And you can see immediately when we place a buy order, we have the stop loss price here. We have our take profit 1 and take profit 2 levels. And all that is automatically created when you place an order. And then you can actually go into the open orders here on the Hyperliquid tab and see those open order positions. And, if the price goes down and hits your stop loss, it'll automatically close out the position. If it reaches TP1, it'll sell 50%. Hits TP2, it'll sell the other 50% of your position. And so, you can see our margin here is about $50. And everything is set up correctly. One thing you want to make sure you do is you want to make sure that your OpenClaw messages you whenever it places an order. So you want to tell your OpenClaw, make sure to send me a DM notification whenever position is opened, as well as when a stop loss or take profit is triggered. And that'll tell OpenClaw to send you notifications. Okay. And so it has all the notification channels set up. So you will receive a DM whenever a trade is open. And then all of the alerts will also be sent to you whenever a position is, whenever a stop loss or a take profit is triggered. That's the full setup, and then you're good to trade.